If you are looking for something luxurious that you want to take up to the mountains, well, look no further. This is a custom van by Midwest Automotive. Starting with the interior driver's seat. Now, this is going to be a 2-liter diesel, and it also has a turbo, this is going to be very efficient on the road.
You definitely want turbos, especially if you're racing.
Other vans?
Yep.
So now starting with the front here, we do have a GPS here. We have fancy buttons to customize your seat to however you want it. And this is going to be on a Mercedes chassis. So it's very luxurious, very minimalistic look here. We have a screen with some buttons and vents here.
It looks really cool, guys.
Put your drinks up here. And then maybe if you have a smaller drink or I don't know, whatever you want.
Big gulp from 7-Eleven.
No, that's where, no.
Monster Energy.
So I love this luxurious feel. It has a very high-end look to it. Check out these. I mean, this beautiful color, it's like a terracotta orange tan look to it. The sun visors are very nice. And also above the sun visors is a place to put your documents. So if you have your driver's registration, maybe
if you want to put your documents in a fancy little place, there you go.
It's nice and organized. All right, so notice this ceiling. It is beautifully stitched here along with these amazing, luxurious, oh my gosh, this is beautiful stitching.
Do you know how much leather they used on this RV? Got to be at least 3 cows.
Now you're going to have your Alpine speakers up above. These chairs actually swivel around, and I love that they have these comfy armrests. On the side here, we have a little table. So once these are swiveled around, you can have a little table for, dinners and stuff like that. Up top at the cap is going to be a place of storage. Now, this is fantastic for things that you want to just have handy when you're running out the door. Pantry, look at that. That is gorgeous.
Oh, that's perfect for snacks. Chips,
lots
cereals.
Of snacks. Microwave over here. A vent. They even have this wooden paneling here, so it doesn't look like an ugly vent. It looks like a very bougie vent.
I'm a fan of bougie vents.
Fridge and a freezer down below. Look at that.
Which is kind of nice because if you are going to go out on the grid and you need some frozen foods, that's really cool. They give you a nice fridge.
On to the kitchen here. We have a beautiful, sleek, solid surface countertops. Above here is going to be extra storage. Maybe additional snacks can go up here or even your pots and pans. Underneath here is going to be your place for sponges because we do have a sink here. This comes out.
Oh, there it is. I was wondering.
Isn't this so sleek? You don't want to look at the dishes anymore? No problem. Bam. This swivels around for your convenience. And then we also have some drawers.
I mean, for 2 people, this really has everything you need.
Yes. And these are pretty solid, very well made and well designed because it looks just so sleek. Another one
here. Junk drawer. It's a perfect place for a junk drawer.
And a trash can. All right. 2-burner induction top that's gonna save that space. And then your outlets here for if you want to do a blender. More shelving down below. This is really, really great. Everything has a clunk to it, so I love that. Beautiful glass shower door or bathroom door. And then we also have another door here that opens up.
Secret door.
And this is really cool because this is a bathroom and a shower all in one. It's called a wet room. If you need to do your business, you do your business. But if you want to shower, you certainly can. And they also have a shower curtain that you can just connect over here. They already have that railing for you. And that way, just don't have anything like a towel in here while you're showering. But you can definitely handy dandy shower, hook it up. And there you have it. Boom.
So you could go to the bathroom and shower at the same time.
Yes, exactly.
That is my favorite thing to do.
Now you can have these open if you want to and have that shower curtain here. Or if you're feeling a little shy, you can definitely close it.
I'll just keep everything open, air it all out.
Onto the back. Now we do have these seating areas here, and these are fantastic because they're not only comfortable, they're beautiful, but they also turn into a bed. So you can just convert that into a bed once it's nighttime.
Looks like a limo, guys.
It's very luxurious. This is the top of the line. If you want something luxurious in the mountains, like this is it. I would buy this in a heartbeat, honestly. Mark, come on, make it happen.
Like and subscribe. We need the more likes.
We need to buy a van for the mountains. A luxurious one. All right, this is a closet space. This is also some space for your belongings.
Well, this would be nice because if you are going to access maybe some kind of gear that you need from the inside outside.
Yes. We have another closet space here, and your hangables can go on right in here. Now, this is going to have your hanging rod, a mirror to look at your beautiful self. And this wall also has a swiveling TV for your entertainment. Now, you do have everything touchscreen, charging ports, as well as charging ports over here, and your control panel for all of your lights. A couple of cup holders if you just want to relax and veg out and have your favorite show on. And of course, this turns into a bed, which is really nice. And if you need ice cold air dumping, no problem. There's a whole unit right above here. So before we go outside, we're going to run through some specs. So your freshwater capacity is going to be 27 gallons. Gray tank is going to have 24 gallons and black tank is at 14 gallons. They do have a Quiet Tech generator. The horsepower of this bad boy is 208. The length of this is 23 feet. Propane capacity is at 15 gallons. You have a tankless water heater. Your gross combined weight is at 15,250 pounds and a 30 amp electrical. All right, we're gonna go check out the exterior. Going outside, we have these steps that lead you outside and a little net that keeps all the bugs away. So
that's
easy.
very nice.
I love that is not just a curtain. A lot of the times I'll just have a curtain. This is a step up from a curtain. We have a door.
I don't like bugs,
A
so this
screen
works
door.
out great.
All right, so now this is designed by Midwest Automotive Designs. We have beautiful wheels here, and we do have cameras all around. There's 4 cameras, so we have 2 side cameras, 1 front and 1 in the rear. It's just a black, mean machine, you know? Looks really good. And so fairly tall. We have a ladder that goes up. We do have solar on board, which is cool to be, you can take this off grid and not worry about power.
Yeah, it's going to keep you charged on all your 12-volt systems.
Yeah, which is really nice. All right, so
You have all of your connections here, guys. This is pretty much where you control your water, your gray, your black tank. They hid it away. You can't even tell. They did such a good job.
it is, yes. All right. So, and then you have your exhaust pipe for your generator because we do have a generator on board. And then your power connection.
And that's really cool because the solar will just get you the basics. And if you really want more juice, you got a generator, guys.
The back doors, they swing right open to embrace you because what you're going to be doing out here is enjoying the outdoors. We do have these spongy storage compartments and a couple of windows here. Everything is going to be blackout shades and motorized, so you don't have to lift a finger.
I would definitely make the bed and then just lay outside and watch the sun.
Heck
That'd be
yeah.
great.
If you're like by a river, imagine just laying out on the bed and just enjoying the sounds of nature. All right, this turns into a bed, of course. And we also have a swivel table that, if you wanted to, you can definitely put up a,
I was wondering, where do you do dinner?
yes. So you can also, it also comes with a table. So it's pretty large. What you do is just connect it over there to how you need it and
That is really
customize
cool.
it. So we're gonna put this right underneath. And look, we have even storage underneath if you needed to utilize that. Right, now the mosquitoes might be a little, you know, vicious, but we have a net right here to keep all the bugs out.
They thought of everything here, guys. Everything.
If you need to access that storage right above here from interior or exterior, you certainly can. That's gonna be great for when you're done with your outdoor activities. You just need to reach for something. So that is really, really, really nice. Awning on top, as well as a roof rack for additional items that you just wanna have stored away. Maybe a kayak, maybe, I don't know, another cool thing. I don't know what I'm thinking of, like hobbies. Paragliding, I don't know.
I mean, you probably could. You could stuff a... That's a really big roof rack, guys. You could... The possibilities are endless.
Yeah, if you're really outdoorsy and you love luxury, this is it. Look no further. So The coolest part of all is that if you buy this new Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys love this van as much as I do. I know that when the kids are out of the nest, I'm going on a trip to the mountains in a van like this. Thanks guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.